Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to fix the Instagram feed not refreshing problem. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So with this issue, what happens is that when you open the app, your feed does not show recent posts of your friends or the people that you're following. So the reason for this may be that either your internet connection or the Instagram server. So first what you need to do is check that your Instagram connection is stable, that you are getting as much as connectivity as possible from your internet server. If that is working fine, then it may be a problem in the Instagram server. So what you do is that you Google search, is Instagram server down? If the Instagram server is also working, then what you're going to do is that you're going to long press on your Instagram app, then tap on app info. After that, you tap on force stop that appears on the bottom of your screen. Confirm that you want to force stop. After that, you tap on storage and tap on clear data. However, remember that if you do not remember your login, it is necessary to remember your login credentials before you go ahead with this process. So once you know for sure that you know all the login credentials, then you tap on clear all data. Confirm that you want to delete all data. Your Instagram app will start working and newer posts will be sent to your feed. However, if that does not work as well, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, then the three-barred icon that appears on the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see help. So you tap on it, tap on report a problem, and then tap on report without shaking. Over here, what you're going to do is explain that your feed is not working, that it is not being refreshed. If you can, then you can enter your screenshots showing how only older posts are being shown in your feed, and then you tap on send. Instagram will work on it and give you your feedback within a few hours. And then your Instagram feed will start working and start refreshing. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.